Good morning. So now we are going to, yesterday we have seen a lot of things regarding that statement of problem. Okay, now that objectives are balanced. So statement of problem, what are all the objectives we have to make. So for each one, when we are making that objectives, we should know that variables in the sense of that is the persons, that is the samples we can tell. Okay, so the variables, we have to assess the variables, like what are all the age group, age, the sex, and what is the working condition, and what is that self-employed or businessman, and where the persons are living, and what is that occupancy, and what is your subject, that subject knowledge, how much they know. Okay, that is okay. So maximum around, it will come around 10 objectives we have to prepare with the demographic variables. Then next one is we are going to, for writing that objectives, we should understood, that is it should be concise and clear declarative statement we have to follow, and while expressing the feelings when you are writing the objectives, it should be concise, and it should be clear, and it should be declarative, and it should be sharply when we are telling that should be understand immediately. Okay, so that type of objectives only we have to prepare. Okay, the objectives are what the investigator purposes accomplish the research. Okay, the specific short term measurable goals to be met. Okay, short term measurable goal, like what else we can tell. First one is when we are writing objectives, for example I am telling, that is here it is I have taken some weaning portions. Okay, so I will show you later. Okay, the weaning is for where we are going to take in Jalali village. Jalali village is a setting. Okay, so Jalali village is where you are going to take, that is a setting. And what is the topic? Okay, what is the topic is weaning is my topic. So weaning is a subject. Okay, so variables, what is the variables you are taking? Weaning, to whom we can take weaning? For the toddler we can, toddler, not toddler, it is a infant period. Okay, so weaning we can start for mainly which are all the persons are not having that adequate knowledge, mainly the primary mothers, those who are having a first kid. Okay, second and third means they know that the previous kid what we have given. So first kid and weaning we have started. So weaning, the mother, whether they are having adequate knowledge regarding the weaning. So we have to, that is a weaning is a subject. And what method of teaching you are going to give, that is we are calling as that is a method of teaching. Method of teaching is what we are here, I have selected like STP, that is a structured teaching program. So you are preparing that structured teaching, what you are going to take, like what else, no, while teachers are taking, while preparing the notes, no, so that preparing notes and how you are going to explain to the clients, and what are all the things you are concentrating. So that is we are calling as a topic. Okay, so that topic, and to whom we are taking the mothers of infancy, the mothers of infant. Okay, so that one we are taking, and what you are going to do, whether it is you are going to do the declarative or you are going to do the interrogative and declarative. Yesterday only I have explained. Okay, so now we are declarative study, that is evaluating. I am going to evaluate. Okay, evaluate the what method you are going to use to evaluate the STP. Okay, evaluate the structure teaching program. Okay, evaluate the structure teaching program. So what topic? On weaning, among to whom we are taking the mothers of infancy, and where you are going to take in Jalali village. So these four things are very important when you are writing the statement of problem. Okay, so when you are writing statement of problem, these four things to be present in your statement of problem. If not, your study is not valid. Understood? Clear? Okay, so how we have to form it and developing the objectives. How to prepare the objectives. First one is identify the elements, that is the characteristics of variables. Characteristics of variables for weaning we can take for 50 years old mother. If you are taking, mother will tell, hey, go man, I know what is weaning. So where you are going to take, so characteristics we have to find. That is the characteristics in the sense, what else, like the mothers of children, that is around 1 year of age, that is infancy, those who are having, that is, and the mother should be primary mother. Okay, so these two are criteria for selecting the mother. Okay, variables in the, that is x we are calling. X means number of variables, number of mothers in specified population. In Jalali village, maximum all the people are there. Like what else, like old age, males, females, and nalli peras, and so many members are there. But in that, your criteria is the mothers of infancy and the mothers of primary, those who are primary mother. Okay, that one is a main objectives we have to see while writing the objectives of the statement of problem. Next one is describe the existence of variables x in a specified population. So you have to find out how many mothers are present in the Jalali village. If your setting is Jalali village, means in that Jalali village, how many samples, that is variables, you are getting. Around the minimum is 40 we need, 50 is okay, 60 is good. Okay, your study you will get that good results. Okay, so we have to find out around 40 mothers, that is in the infancy, the mothers of infancy. So if it is like that, so you can take your study is feasible. Then next one is determine or identify the relationship between variables x and variable y, specified population. Determine, we have to determine the identification of relationship. What relationship? That is already I said, like a criteria. Okay, in that which are all the members are fall under our criteria, so we can take it as a samples, that is a variables. Okay, so next one is we have to find out the difference between the group 1 and group 2. Like what else, no, it is like that socio association between. Okay, so association, the mothers of under 5, the mothers of infancy, how many members are normal, whether they are having adequate knowledge or the mother is not having adequate knowledge, and depends upon their socio demographic variables as well, what they are having knowledge. Okay, this two we have to compare. Okay, that is we will come under, you will study in your statistics chi-square. Okay, so this is we have given some examples also. That is, example is one nurses are having that back pain, it is a common condition. So what are the things we have to assess? In that we have to assess how many members in the hospital, those who are working, around 150 nurses are working. In that 50 nurses, around 140 nurses they are telling that is we are having back pain. So we have to find out the behind the causes for getting the back pain. Causes for getting back pain, how many members are working for 12 hours, how many members are working for 15 hours, how many members are working in night duty, and which area the persons are working. So how the persons are getting back pain. So how many members are not getting the back pain, and where they are working, and what is their working condition, what is their workload. So these are all the things we have to compare, and then we can find out. So we, after that, it's mainly for when we are assessing, it will become under maximum the persons, those who are working in operational theatre, because for long time standing, and the persons are working more than 12 hours. If the persons are working like that, the person surely will get the back pain. Okay, for that we have to prepare the objectives, like whatever I said, like the persons are working condition we have to assess, and where they are working, and how long they are working, and which hospital you are taking, that is a setting, and variables are nursing, and where you are going to take, which place you are going to take, and what method to prevention of back pain, what method you are using for get rid of back pain. So these are all the things we are giving a example for the writing objectives. Understood? Clear? Okay, so I will give you some example. Okay, so under that you can watch. ನೋಡಿ